Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best RV Griddle is probably one of the most versatile outdoor cooking appliances you can own. It allows you to whip up everything from breakfast pancakes to gourmet dinners, all while enjoying the great outdoors. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of RV Griddles, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them a must-have for any camping or tailgating enthusiast. Number 5. Blackstone 1666-22 Tabletop Griddle. This tabletop griddle is perfect for any outdoor activity. It's easy to transport, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or a simple backyard barbecue. This griddle is designed for all your meals. Whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it can handle it all. Despite its compact size, it offers a generous cooking area. You can cook a large amount of food at once, perfect for small families or groups. It features 2 independently controlled burners. This allows you to cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously, ensuring everything is cooked to perfection. The griddle has a patented rear grease management system. This makes cleanup easy by guiding excess grease into a collection cup. What we like. This griddle is a great choice for anyone who loves to cook outdoors, especially if you're short on space. It's compact enough to take anywhere, yet offers a surprisingly large cooking area. If you're looking for a griddle that can handle everything from breakfast to dinner, this is the one for you. What people say. The griddle feels robust and durable, ready to stand up to the rigors of outdoor cooking. Operating the Blackstone tabletop griddle is an absolute breeze. The controls are intuitive and responsive, making it easy to adjust the heat level to suit whatever I'm cooking. Foods cook evenly, retain their juices, and have that fantastic grilled flavor that can only come from a quality griddle. Number 4. Royal Gourmet PD 1301S 24-inch Tabletop Gas Grill. This portable griddle is easy to store and move around. It has sturdy feet for stability, making it ideal for outdoor cooking. You can connect it to a 20 pounds LP tank for fuel. The package includes a durable PVC cover. This cover protects the griddle from the elements and bad weather. It helps keep it in good condition. It offers a generous 319 square in cooking area. The glossy porcelain enameled steel griddle top is 3.5 mm thick. It can easily accommodate a large amount of food. It features 3 separately controlled burners with 25,500 BTUs of cooking power. The integrated piezo igniter provides instant ignition with a simple push. This ensures quick and efficient cooking. Cleanup is simple with the removable grease cup. It collects drippings and residues. The detachable griddle top also makes cleaning easy. What we like. This griddle offers a large cooking surface, perfect for feeding a crowd. The fast heating ensures your food cooks quickly and evenly. If you often cook for a group or enjoy hosting outdoor gatherings, you'll appreciate the convenience and efficiency this griddle provides. What people say. This 24-inch, 3-burner tabletop model is the perfect size for me. It heats evenly, has plenty of cooking space, and is very easy to clean. It works great just the right size for 2 people. Wonderful design with very even heat distribution, only one cooler spot on the front near the drain hole, but it's negligible. The build quality is pretty good with the griddle plate itself being a good thickness. After I put it together I did a burn-in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I made chicken fajitas on it for the first cook. They turned out amazing. The coating does make for easy cleanup though, and the drain cup has pretty large capacity. I've made pancakes and eggs for breakfast and they get done super fast even on low heat. Number 3. Camplux 17-inch Propane Gas Griddle Grill Combo. This combo offers both a grill and a griddle, providing a total of 449 square inches of cooking space. It's compact and portable, perfect for various outdoor activities. Featuring a unique H-shaped stainless steel burner, it delivers over 15,000 BTUs of heat. This ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked and delicious food. The flat-top griddle is designed to be non-stick, and the enamel grill and grease cup are detachable. Cleaning is simple, requiring just a scraper, soap, water, and paper towels. The griddle plate is made of 0.13-inch cold-rolled steel with reinforcing steel bars. This design prevents deformation even at high temperatures, ensuring durability. This camping RV griddle can connect to RV gas, 20 pounds, and 1 pound propane tanks. It comes with a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service for any issues. What we like. This griddle is a versatile cooking station, offering both a grill and a griddle in one unit. It heats up quickly and is easy to clean, making your cooking experience more enjoyable. If you like having options and want a compact, all-in-one solution for your outdoor cooking needs, this is a great choice. What people say. Nice for camping and tailgating. Very sturdy griddle and functional grill swap out. High BTU output cooks food quickly and efficiently, and the grease catch pen keeps the cleanup easy. I seasoned it 3 times in the house oven and the cooking surface very non-stick. It works very well. We bought this grill for our camper. We installed it in one of our outside cupboards and it works excellent. The size is perfect and easy to handle. Number 2. Flame King 17-inch portable propane gas griddle. This griddle is designed for your RV adventures. It comes with a bracket, allowing you to mount it directly to your motorhome or trailer. Enjoy a cookout wherever your travels take you. The hanging rack can be used as legs, making it freestanding, perfect for tailgating and camping. Alternatively, you can use it on a tabletop. It's versatile for any outdoor cooking scenario. This incredibly convenient gas griddle boasts 12,000 BTUs and includes an adjustable flame controller. It's a complete grilling solution, ready for any meal you want to prepare. The non-stick cast iron griddle plate is ready for cooking, with over 260 square in of cooking area. It ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food every time. Cleaning up is a breeze with its great oil collection design. It features a residual oil hole and a detachable grease cup for easy washing. This makes cleanup quick and simple. To protect the non-stick coating, we recommend using wooden, silicone, or nylon utensils. Metal utensils may cause scratching or peeling over time, so please avoid them. What we like. This griddle is designed with RV and trailer owners in mind, offering a convenient mounting option. It's also versatile enough to be used as a freestanding unit. If you're an RV enthusiast or enjoy tailgating, this griddle's portability and ease of use make it a fantastic addition to your setup. What people say. Extremely easy to assemble and has yet to disappoint. Cooks well, and fits our space perfectly. Skip the Blackstone, look no further, good product, good company. No rust or seasoning the flat top. If you are concerned with Teflon, Stanbroil sells a stainless steel rust-proof easy clean, flat top, exact fit with wind deflectors. Number 1. COGHLAN'S 2-burner non-stick camp griddle. This griddle is perfect for cooking outdoors. It's designed to fit over 2 burners, making it ideal for camping or RV trips. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Food slides right off, and cleanup is quick and easy. With dimensions of 16:1/2 by 10 inches, it provides ample cooking space. It's perfect for making breakfast, lunch, or dinner while you're enjoying the outdoors. This griddle is designed to extend over 2 burners. This allows for even heating and efficient cooking, no matter where you are. It also features an integrated hook for easy hanging and storage. This makes it convenient to dry and store when not in use. This is an affordable and essential piece of gear for any camping trip. It's perfect for car camping, RVs, motorhomes, and cabins. What we like. This griddle is all about simplicity and ease of use. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and its compact design is perfect for camping and RV trips. If you like a no-fuss cooking experience and value convenience, this griddle will be a great fit. What people say. The griddle is a very nice, heavy-duty aluminum and fairly durable griddle that is just exactly what the advertisement says it is. The griddle covers both the burners on my camp stove and is non-stick coated on the cooking side and bare metal and the burner side of the pan. The cooking area of the pan is of a pretty good size and I have used this several times now on my weekend trip to the local lakes here in Oklahoma, and I have had nothing but super ease of use with this griddle. The pan definitely heats up really quickly and is ready to cook on super fast, and I have had no problem cooking breakfast for 6 to 8 people at the campsite in a very reasonable amount of time in the mornings. On top of all that, the non-stick surface sure makes for a really quick and easy cleanup when you're done cooking as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.